Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to print a PDF without comments using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you need a clean version of your document for presentations or final submissions without all those review notes cluttering up the page. Let's get started. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to all your recent files and documents. Now navigate to Recent Files and select the PDF file you want to print without comments. This should open up your document in the main workspace where you can view all the content and any existing comments that might be attached to it. With your PDF open, look towards the upper left toolbar. Here, click on Menu and from the drop-down options, select Print. This will open up the Print dialog box where you can configure all your print settings before generating the final version of your document. In the Print dialog, navigate to Pages to print. This section gives you control over which portions of your document you want to include. You can select your preferred option here, whether that's all pages, just the current page you're viewing, or only selected pages if you need to be more specific. Choose whatever best fits your needs for this particular document. Next, navigate to Orientation. Here you'll see options for how your document will be laid out on the page. Click the circle beside either Portrait or Landscape, depending on how you want your final document to appear. Portrait is typically used for standard documents, while Landscape works better for wider content like charts or tables. Now here's the critical step for removing those comments. Navigate to Comments and Forums. You'll notice a drop-down menu just below this option. Click on that drop-down menu and select Document. By choosing Document instead of the default setting, you're telling Adobe Acrobat to print only the actual document content without including any of the comments, markup, or annotations that might be attached to it. This ensures you get a clean, professional-looking printout. Once you've configured all these settings, go ahead and click Print. At this point, you'll be prompted to choose where you want to save your file. Select the folder where you want to save this clean version of your PDF. Take a moment to navigate to the right location so you can easily find it later. Before finalizing, you might want to rename the file if needed. This is especially helpful if you want to distinguish this comment-free version from your original working document. Simply type in a new name that makes sense for your workflow. Finally, click Save. Adobe Acrobat will now process your document and save a clean PDF version without any of those comments visible. You've successfully created a professional, comment-free version of your PDF that's ready for printing or distribution. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.